Our comprehensive research with industry leaders reveals a framework for transforming ordinary offices into strategic assets. Let's dive into what we have discovered. Now let's talk about few pillars. First is physical infrastructure. The physical workplace serves as the foundation for everything else. Forward-thinking organizations approach their spaces as dynamic ecosystems rather than static environments. This begins with adaptive design, creating spaces that flex with changing needs. Think modular furniture, movable walls, and multi-purpose areas that support different work modes throughout the day. Smart zoning plays a crucial role, with spaces intentionally designed for specific activities. Collaboration zone, focus areas, social spaces, and learning environments, each optimized for its purpose. Real-world implementation has delivered impressive results. Organizations adopting these approaches have increased personnel capacity by 29% while reducing their real estate footprint by 3%. The most successful physical environments share common characteristics. They're human-centered, technology-enabled, and designed to evolve over time. The second pillar is human experience. This pillar focuses on creating seamless journeys for everyone who interacts with your workplace. This journey begins before people arrive, with pre-planning tools that help employees coordinate schedules and reserve resources. Upon arrival, streamlined check-in processes, intuitive wayfinding, and personalized settings create frictionless experiences. Throughout the day, easy access to spaces and services maintains productivity and satisfaction. Every touchpoint matters, from meeting room bookings to visitor management systems. We have documented numerous success stories. One Fortune 500 company reduced administrative friction by 37% while improving satisfaction scores by 42% through journey mapping and experience design. Creating these seamless experiences requires understanding diverse workplace personas, from full-time employees to occasional visitors, from VIPs to interview candidates, and designing systems that work for everyone, every single one of them. Now, the third pillar is technology integration. Technology serves as the connective tissue between physical spaces and human experiences. The right technology stack creates environments that respond to needs while generating valuable insights. The foundation includes IoT sensors that monitor occupancy, usage patterns, and environmental conditions in real time. Data flows into integrated platforms that provide visibility, control across all facilities. AI systems analyze the information to identify patterns, predict needs, and automate responses, from adjusting room temperatures to recommending meeting locations based on attendee locations as well. Organizations implementing these technologies have reduced energy consumption by 23% while improving space utilization by 34%. The technology becomes invisible to users while enhancing their daily experiences. Successful implementations require thoughtful architecture, connecting systems that traditionally operated in silos to create a unified ecosystem. Our comprehensive report, The New Era of Physical Workplaces, provides detailed frameworks, case studies, and implementation guides to help you transform your workplace. Download it today at www.getveris.com to begin your journey toward creating a workplace that functions as a genuine competitive advantage. Thank you for joining us for this exploration of future of work environments.